కొంచెం ఇంత సైడ్
ఫ్లాగా ఇస్తారు.
let him say.
General, say it.
सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधितरंगा शुभ नामे गावे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गावे तव जय गाथा मंगलदायक जय हे मारक भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे
जय माता की
जय। A very pleasant morning of 75th Independence Day. Today, the nation is celebrating Independence Day. When I ask students what is independence, they say freedom, free movement. Yes, that's true. It was a day of freedom fighters, women freedom fighters, our great men freedom fighters strived hard to get us the rights of human rights, and as well as they have created a beautiful environment of Indian nation. Indian nation today it's flying high to the sky with its orange, white and green. Orange says it's the sacrifice. We need to sacrifice every day. The morning you get up, sacrifice yourself for existing. It's our duty to take up our nation to the high levels. It is not our freedom fighters only. What is our duty? We need to know. In our school, students of 10th class, they have really wonderfully exhibited this art exhibition on revolutionary movements. So when I asked them, they were ready preparing. So today I am gladly coming forward to show you the art exhibition of our 10th class students. Really good children, you have done wonderful thing. It really, I appreciate your hard work and for bringing out your talents. So that is called a duty. So because when we say you be obedient and you try your level best to make it success, that is called a duty here. So likewise, each and every one of us, we are called Indians, we need to work hard for our Indian betterment like other countries. So today we talk about our plurality, our nationality, our region, religion. So many complex issues are there. In spite of these issues, we need to come out globally to bring out our talents of as an Indian so that we can do in the future create a better India of clean and free India, green India, without pollution. So our prime aim is now only to avoid pollution. Switch on to the electric vehicles and use on only CNG vehicles. So as the students, you are very crazy about your vehicles. So what do you do on this lockdown period? You are going on roaming on your vehicles using your petrol, diesel. How much pollution you have created, just think of it. That's why this lockdown. In spite of lockdown, we have to show our nation is great. That's why today we are celebrating 75th Independence Day. Let us all unite to free from carbon dioxide. In spite of using our fuel, let us use only greenery and let us switch on today. So we can, in spite of going for ornaments or other things, we can be simple and humble. So this is what the situation is teaching us in this lockdown period, in this pandemic. We need to be humble and simple towards each other. Let us be united together in spite of our plurality, our religion, without any discrimination. Let us go freely for striving hard to free and create without pollution India. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Vande Mataram. Jai Hind.
ಇದು ಬುಕ್